Did you know that some of your favorite holiday drinks could be silently wreaking havoc on your blood sugar levels? Discover which ones to avoid this Christmas. Don't miss out on this crucial information that can protect your blood sugar levels this Christmas. Discover the worst drinks before it's too late. In 7th place, here's a festive indulgence that could be sabotaging your blood sugar control this Christmas. Sugary holiday cocktails are a common choice during the festive season. But for diabetics, they can lead to significant spikes in blood glucose levels, making blood sugar management more challenging. These cocktails often contain high amounts of added sugars and carbohydrates, which act like fuel that rapidly increases your blood sugar. Just as pouring extra fuel into a car can cause it to overheat, consuming too much sugar can overwhelm your body's ability to maintain stable glucose levels. According to a study published in the Journal of Diabetes Research, excessive sugar intake from alcoholic beverages was linked to poorer blood sugar control and increased insulin resistance among diabetics. Blood glucose spikes are like sudden floods in your bloodstream, making it harder for your body to function smoothly. Opt for sugar-free or low-sugar mixers in your cocktails and limit your intake to help maintain more stable blood sugar levels during the holidays. By choosing wisely, you can still enjoy festive drinks without compromising your health, supporting your journey towards better blood sugar management. In 6th place, here's a creamy treat that might be more harmful to your blood sugar than you realize. Sweetened eggnog is a holiday favorite, but its high sugar and fat content can lead to elevated blood glucose levels and unhealthy cholesterol, making diabetes management more difficult. Eggnog typically contains added sugars and saturated fats, which act like double trouble for your body. The sugars quickly raise your blood sugar, while the fats can interfere with insulin sensitivity, making it harder for your body to regulate glucose effectively. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicates that diets high in saturated fats and sugars are associated with increased insulin resistance, a key factor in managing diabetes. Insulin resistance is like your body's cells becoming less responsive to insulin, making it harder to keep blood sugar levels in check. Choose sugar-free eggnog alternatives or make your own using natural sweeteners and low-fat dairy to enjoy the festive flavor without the blood sugar spikes. By making smarter choices, you can savor your favorite holiday drinks while keeping your blood sugar levels stable, enhancing your overall well-being. In 5th place, here's a seemingly healthy drink that could be causing hidden harm to your blood sugar levels. Fruit punch is a staple at many holiday gatherings, but the added sugars can lead to rapid increases in blood glucose, posing significant challenges for those managing prediabetes or diabetes. While fruit itself contains natural sugars, commercial fruit punches often have added sugars and high fructose corn syrup. These added sugars act like a fast-acting energy surge, quickly elevating your blood sugar levels and making glucose management more difficult. Studies from the Diabetes Care Journal have shown that high consumption of added sugars is directly linked to increased blood sugar levels and a higher risk of developing insulin resistance. High fructose corn syrup is a type of sugar that your body absorbs quickly, leading to sudden rises in blood glucose. Prepare homemade fruit punch using fresh fruits and natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit to enjoy a tasty beverage without the harmful sugar spikes. Choosing healthier alternatives allows you to enjoy festive flavors while maintaining better control over your blood sugar, supporting your journey to a healthier you. In 4th place, this popular healthier drink might be tricking your body in unexpected ways. Artificially sweetened sparkling waters are often marketed as a healthier alternative to sugary drinks. But for diabetics, they can interfere with insulin sensitivity and trigger sugar cravings, complicating blood sugar management. These beverages contain artificial sweeteners like aspartame or sucralose, which mimic the taste of sugar without the calories. However, they can disrupt your body's ability to regulate insulin, acting like a deceptive signal that confuses your glucose management system. Research from Harvard Medical School suggests that artificial sweeteners may alter gut microbiota and insulin response, potentially leading to increased blood sugar levels and cravings for sugary foods. Insulin sensitivity refers to how effectively your body uses insulin to lower blood sugar, and disrupting it can make managing diabetes more challenging. Opt for plain water or infuse your own with fresh fruits and herbs to stay hydrated without the risks associated with artificial sweeteners. Making informed choices about your beverages empowers you to maintain better blood sugar control, enhancing your overall health and well-being during the festive season. In third place, we have a common festive favorite that could seriously disrupt your blood sugar levels this Christmas. Alcoholic beverages mixed with high-sugar mixers can cause significant fluctuations in your blood sugar levels, making diabetes management more challenging and increasing the risk of hypoglycemia. These drinks often contain both alcohol and added sugars, which act like a double-edged sword for your body. The alcohol can impair your liver's ability to produce glucose, while the sugars rapidly spike your blood glucose levels, creating an unstable environment for blood sugar management. According to research published in the American Journal of Medicine, consumption of sugary alcoholic beverages is associated with poorer blood sugar control and an increased risk of developing insulin resistance among diabetics. Hypoglycemia, or low blood sugar, is like your body running out of fuel unexpectedly, which can lead to dizziness, confusion, and even fainting if not addressed promptly. Choose dry wines or spirits with sugar-free mixers, and always monitor your blood sugar levels when consuming alcohol to maintain better control during the holidays. By making smarter drink choices, you can enjoy social gatherings without compromising your blood sugar stability, supporting your journey towards effective diabetes management. In second place, here's a delightful treat that might be undermining your diabetes management more than you think. Caffeinated holiday lattes loaded with flavored syrups can lead to elevated blood glucose levels and increased insulin resistance, making it harder to maintain stable blood sugar levels. These lattes are rich in added sugars from flavored syrups and high levels of caffeine. The sugars act like a quick energy surge, rapidly increasing your blood sugar, while excessive caffeine can elevate your blood pressure and stress hormones, further complicating diabetes control. Research from the Journal of the American Heart Association indicates that high sugar intake from sweetened beverages is directly linked to elevated blood sugar levels and higher blood pressure in individuals with diabetes. Insulin resistance is like your body cells becoming less responsive to insulin, making it harder to lower blood sugar levels effectively. Opt for unsweetened lattes or use natural sweeteners like stevia. Additionally, limit your caffeine intake by choosing smaller sizes or decaffeinated options to help manage blood sugar and blood pressure. By adjusting your latte choices, you can still enjoy your favorite holiday beverages while keeping your blood sugar and blood pressure in check, enhancing your overall health and well-being. In first place, here's the most transformative tip to protect your health this festive season. Holiday-themed energy drinks are packed with excessive sugar and caffeine, leading to drastic spikes in blood sugar and blood pressure, which can severely impact diabetes management and increase the risk of cardiovascular complications. These energy drinks contain high levels of both sugar and caffeine. The sugar causes rapid increases in blood glucose levels, while caffeine stimulates the nervous system, raising blood pressure and heart rate. This combination can overwhelm your body's ability to regulate blood sugar and maintain healthy blood pressure levels. A study by Mayo Clinic found that consumption of energy drinks is associated with significant increases in blood sugar and blood pressure, posing serious risks for individuals with diabetes and hypertension. Blood pressure is like the force of water flowing through your pipes. Too much pressure can damage your system, making it harder for your heart to pump blood efficiently. Instead of reaching for an energy drink, try natural alternatives like green tea or infused water with a splash of lemon. These options provide a gentler energy boost without the harmful spikes in blood sugar and blood pressure. Choosing healthier energy sources empowers you to maintain stable blood sugar and blood pressure, ensuring you enjoy a vibrant and balanced lifestyle throughout the holiday season and beyond.